So now we will see how we can display tables in HTML with the help of examples. So guys, HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns, and we are going to check this with the help of examples as well in the VS Code. So guys, it is very important for you to understand what are the different tags that you can use in order to display your tables in the form of rows and columns. So basically we have the very first tag, that is the main tag, which is called as table over here. So again we have the less than symbol, and then we have the table keyword, and then greater than symbol, and this is the start tag. We also have the corresponding and tag for this table, inside which all the content of the table will be defined. And then guys, inside the table, first of all we are going to define the rows, which can be defined using the tr tag over here. So tr stands for table row in this case, and it defines a horizontal row in a table. And then next we have the table header. So in case your requirement is to display the headers in the table, you can use the th tag, which stands for table header over here, which defines the header for the table in this case. And then guys, we also have something called as td, which refers to the table data over here. So td tag helps us to define the content or data in one cell of a table. So guys, when we talk about HTML table over here, it is similar to Microsoft Excel. So if you have used MS Excel anytime, you must have noticed that we have multiple cells over here in Excel, and this can be treated as one table over here. So we can have the header in this case. So let's say we have the numbers over here as the header and their string representation. So guys, this is nothing but these are the headers that are defining what will be the content of these particular columns over here. So we can have them in the bold formatting. So we apply the bold formatting over here, and we can make them display at the middle of the cells. And then guys, what we can have is we can have the numbers over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the string representation says 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5. So guys, this is nothing but this is a table over here, and this is what we are going to see in the HTML as well. We are going to define this as a table, and these are the rows. So as you can see, this is one row over here, then this is second row, then this is third row, and so on. These are the rows and these are the columns. So guys, this row is being defined by the tr tag, and the data inside each cell is being defined by the td tag over here, which stands for the table data. And guys, this header is being defined by the th tag, which is the table header over here. And outside all these tags, we also have the main tag, that is the table tag, in order to define the entire table. So guys, with this knowledge, let us move to the VS Code now over here in order to create the table. So first of all, we will have a simple paragraph, and then we will say below content is defined in a table. So guys, we have a very simple paragraph, that is below content is defined in a table. And now on the next line, we are going to define the table over here. So when we type table, as you can see, VS Code is suggesting us this particular tag. And when we press enter, you can see that we have the starting tag and the ending tag. So guys, this is the shorthand format. We can simply type the name of the tag and press enter in order to get the starting and the ending tag in the HTML. Now in between the starting and the ending tag, what we need to define is, first of all, we are going to define this row, which is going to have the table header. So guys, over here we will have the tr tag. So when we type tr over here and press enter, as you can see, tr starting and the ending tag is being displayed over here. And then inside the tr tag, we will have the th tag over here, since these are the headers that we want to define. So we have the th tag, and when we press enter, as you can see, the starting and the ending tags are being displayed. Now we can simply have numbers, which is the text for this header tag over here. And then guys, we are going to have another tag. So again, we are going to type th, and then we will say string representation. So guys, as you can see, inside the table starting and the ending tag, first of all we have one row. So inside this row we are having the two headers, that is numbers and string representation. We can also have one header over here, or two headers, or any number of headers based on your requirements that you want to define. So guys, over here we are only taking two columns in this case. So based on your requirements, you can either increase or decrease the number of rows and columns in the HTML table. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page to see how the table appears over here. So when we reload this page, as you can see, we have the numbers header and the string representation as the header, which is being displayed with the bold formatting over here. Now guys, let us define certain data as we have seen over here how we have defined the data in the Excel. Similarly, we will define the data in the HTML as well. So again, we are going to have another row over here. So guys, basically this is the first row as you can see. Now we need to come on the next line, that is after this first row, we are going to define the second row over here, and inside that as well we are going to have two columns with this particular data, that is 1 and ONE1. So guys, we come over here to the VS Code, we again say TR in this case, and this time we will use TD. That's because it is not the header that we want to define now, we want to define the data inside a particular cell of the table. So guys, we use the table data, that is the TD tag in this case. So we use TD over here, and then we simply provide 1, that is the number 1 over here. And what is the string representation? It is ONE1. So again we define another TD in this case, and then we say 1 over here. Now let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, another row has been added inside the table, and it says 1 and then 1 over here. Now guys, similarly let us add remaining data, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers in this case. So let us move to the VS Code. Simply I will copy this TR data which is having the row with the first number in this case. So I am copying this and we will paste it 4 times over here in order to cover the remaining numbers. So guys, over here we will change 2, and then string representation will be 2, and then over here we will have 3, and then again we have the 3 word, and then we have 4, and then the string representation, that is 4, and then over here we have 5, and then again we have the string representation, that is 5. So guys, basically we have defined multiple rows over here, and inside each row we are having the table data, that is the TD tag, and inside the TD tag we are having the actual data that needs to be displayed inside the cells of the table. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser once again. So as you can see, all the data is being displayed now in the tabular format. So guys, you can see under the headers, that is numbers over here, all the numbers are getting displayed in the left aligned format, and in the string representation as well, all the string representations of the numbers are getting displayed in the left aligned format. So guys, this is the main purpose of using the table, that is it allows the web developers to arrange the data into rows and columns. Guys, we can also use the border for this table so that it actually looks like a table for you. So what we can do is we come over here to the VS Code, and then inside the head tag we can simply provide the style tag over here, and for this style tag we can say table in this case, and let's say for this table tag we need to provide the border. The border will be of 1 pixel size and it will be of the solid type, and then let's say we want to give the color as black in this case. So guys, this is one of the ways in order to define the border along with the width of the border. Then this is the border style, like what type of border we want to display, and then this is the color of the border. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have got the border now to the table. Guys, we can also have the border to this table data and the table headers as well over here. So we can include the th and td tags over here to the same styling in this case. That's because we want the styling to be common. So guys, after table we can provide comma, and then we can also provide th comma td tags over here. So guys, this particular styling will be applied to all these tags that we have defined over here in the HTML body. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, it is being displayed now using the borders over here. All the cells are having their own borders. Guys, also we can align the text to the right in this case. By default it is on left. So what we can do is we can simply come over here and we say text align in this case. So this is the property that can be used in order to align the text, and we say right as the value. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, the content of the entire table is being displayed on the right now. So guys, this is the very basic way in order to display the table content inside the HTML. So to summarize, we need to have the main tag, that is the table tag, and then inside that individually we need to define the rows of the table. The first row can be a header if you want to define the header, and if you don't have any headers, you can start with the TD tags as well. The only difference between the TD, that is the table data, and the TH, that is the table header tag, is that the content in the TH tags will be displayed with the bold formatting over here, as you can see, whereas the content with the TD tag will be displayed normally without the bold formatting. But you can apply the formatting based on your requirements to the TD tags as well using the internal or the external style sheet. Guys, apart from this, you can also have the table cell that can contain all sorts of HTML elements. That is, it can have text, which we have seen just now with the help of examples. Instead of text, you can also have the images, list, links, and other tables as well. So guys, you can check out the images and the links as the content of the table data, and this activity I'll leave up to you as a homework for you. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is table borders in HTML. So stay tuned.